In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second signer to a DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is where you begin creating a new request for signatures. Once the menu opens, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the container that holds your document, recipients, and signing settings. So this is the correct place to begin. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to send a document out for signing, and it will guide you into the setup process. After that, upload the document you want both recipients to sign. Make sure you're choosing the final version of the file so you don't have to restart the process later. Now move to the recipient section and add the first signer. Enter the first signer's name and email address carefully. It's important to double check spelling here, because any typo could delay delivery or cause confusion for the recipient. Once the first signer is entered, click Add Recipient to include the second signer. Then type in the second signer's name and email address. At this point, you'll have both recipients listed in the envelope. If the document needs to be signed in a specific order, set the signing order so the first signer receives and signs the document before the second signer. This is useful when one signature depends on another. If the order does not matter, you can leave them set to sign without a sequence. But if your workflow requires a specific progression, make sure the order is correct before moving on. When everything looks good, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you place the fields that each signer will interact with. Add a signature field for each signer, and make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient. This part is very important, because if a field is assigned incorrectly, the wrong person may be prompted to sign in the wrong place. Before sending the envelope, take a moment to review everything. Check both signers' names, email addresses, the signing order, and all assigned fields. A quick final review can help prevent mistakes and save time. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, click Send. DocuSign will then email the document to your signers based on the order you selected, and the signing process will begin. That's all there is to it. You've successfully prepared a DocuSign envelope with a second signer added. Thanks for watching.